Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your default sending email address in Outlook. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple email accounts and want to ensure your messages always send from the right one without having to manually select it every time. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and sync your mailbox. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin making the changes. Now, to change your default sending email address in Outlook, head to your File menu. You'll find this located at the top part of your screen in the toolbar where all your main tools and menu options are displayed. Go ahead and click on File to open that menu. From the File menu, look for the Account Settings option in the drop-down. Click on it and an Account Settings window will appear. This is where Outlook stores all the configurations for your email accounts. From here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts that you've added to your Outlook app over time. Now select the one you wish to use as your default email sender. Simply click on that account to highlight it and then click on the button labeled Set as Default. This action tells Outlook that whenever you compose a new message, it should use this particular email address as the sender. Once you've set and changed the default email sender, you're not quite finished yet. Head back to your File menu again, but this time instead of Account Settings, click on Options. An Outlook Options window will appear, giving you access to various customization features. From here, click on Mail on the left side menu. This section controls how your email sending and receiving functions operate. Scroll down through the Mail options until you find the section labeled Send Messages. This is where you'll lock in your preference. From here, make sure to click on the checkbox that says Always use the default account when composing new messages. By enabling this option, you're ensuring that Outlook will automatically use the default account you just set every single time you start writing a new email. Once you've checked that box, click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default sending email address in Outlook, and now all your new messages will automatically come from the account you selected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.